name is Chloe Rainsbury, and today I'm going to be presenting my ice cream cone math pattern activity. This activity focuses on math and art, and it focuses on the Florida Math Pattern Learning Standard number 3. And this is one of the lessons I have in my summer season curriculum. So for this lesson, you will need one of these sheets, and it's the original sheet, and I would have this like on a projector so that all of the students can see. And then you will also need one of these blank sheets for yourself and for each student. And then right now I'm just using one ice cream cone, but in the classroom it would probably be better if each child had an ice cream cone per color so that they're not mixing all the colors. And then depending on the patterns that you want and the different colors, you just need paint for each color. So I have blue, pink, purple, and green. So then to start off this lesson, you will have each child, you will go through, and with your little ice cream cone, you're going to dip it in the color, just the top part of it. Dip it in the color, and then you're gonna fill out what we already know on each ice cream cone. So for the first ice cream cone, we see that it's the color blue. So we just dipped it in the color blue, and then we go to our little sheet, and then you put it on there. Try to make it look all pretty. And so that's what I have for the first ice cream cone. And then for the second color, we have pink. So we dip it in our pink, and then we can see right here, so cone A in our pattern is blue, and now cone B is going to be pink. So we're gonna do our second cone, which is cone B, pink. And then we're gonna try and follow that pattern and recognize that what color comes next? Blue, right. So then we dip it in the blue, go to our next cone, and then what color comes next? Pink. And during all of these, you would want the students answering the questions so that you know that they recognize what the pattern is. And then for this last one, this is where the pattern recognition really comes into play because we don't have the color up here. So where you see, okay, following our pattern, what color would come next? And hopefully they would get it right, which would be blue. So we go to blue and stamp it on there. Now my colors are a little mixed up, so you can't really see, which is why I would say one cone per color. I don't have multiple cones, unfortunately. But then we're gonna go on to a more difficult pattern, which is an AAB sequence. And so I would ask the students what color comes first, and our A cone, purple. So dip it in our purple and stamp it on there. And then what color comes next? We have another A cone, so that would be the same color, purple. Dip it in there, and then place it on there. And then the next, we have a B cone, so what color would that be? Green. Get your green color, place it on there. And then we have another A, so let's put another purple, another A, so another purple, and then here comes the hard part. So now we can see on here that we have AAB, AA, and then we don't know. So hopefully they would understand that the next one would be B coming in this pattern sequence. And that is basically it for this lesson. And then the children can paint more if they'd like, color in some of the cones. And it would take longer, obviously, because you would need to be helping each child and going around and making sure each kid really understood what they were doing. But yeah, that's it for my lesson. And this lesson is targeted at preschoolers. I'm not sure if I said that before, but more like 4 and 5 year olds. So, thank you.